Crafting the ultimate Microsoft Excel spreadsheet could soon be more of a team effort than ever before, thanks to a new update. Hi, this is Farhana and welcome to my channel. This spreadsheet software will now offer users the chance to collaborate more smoothly whilst on a Microsoft Teams call with its new Excel Live feature. This allows anyone on a video conferencing call to work together on an Excel worksheet during a meeting, including direct edits and additions, all updated and visible in real time. Microsoft says that the new addition will enable users to collaborate easier than ever before, allowing for frictionless co-working whilst on a Microsoft Teams call. Users will be able to simply select the file they want to share to start editing directly in a meeting. Owners can then grant editing permissions to meeting participants, or simply enable all meeting participants to edit the document from the meeting window. To start an Excel Live session during a meeting, open Microsoft Teams for desktop or web. Join an existing meeting or start a new one with your team members. Select Share and scroll down to the Excel Live section. Select the Excel workbook you'd like to collaborate in during your meeting. Select Share to give others in your meeting permission to access and edit the workbook. Currently, Excel Live meeting recordings are audio only and won't include video of the interactive workbook. In its entry on the official Microsoft 365 roadmap, Excel Live is still described as being in development. However, it has a scheduled general availability date of March 2023, meaning users shouldn't have to wait too long to get their hands on it. Upon release, Excel Live will be available for users on PC and Mac, as well as mobile users with Android or iOS devices. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you have learned something new today. And I will see you in the next one.